Hello, this is Javier. Welcome to the hour 131. Studying Power BI with me. The main idea of this channel is just to record myself when I am studying Power BI, Power Pivot. My idea is not teaching to you anything, but if you want to repeat any of my lessons, you can do it. Until May, I think I will be with Power BI. So after that, I will move to another section of Excel. That could be Power. I am thinking about financial Excel, so I need to reinforce that stuffs in my career. So that's it. For today, we will going to watch something regarding with measures we will create. The idea is to make these stuffs. I will delete everything. I will delete every measure that I already create with the only intention that we will reinforce topics that I already review it, and that it. So for me, the most important thing is to understand the concept, to understand everything, and then try to redo it. So that's it. So and let's we go. And here we go. So we have a budget here, and we have the reality or the real expense here. We have a bridge table here. I will show to you how I create this one, and that's it. First condition to work with Power Pivot is to add data to our model, but with table formats. So in this case, we can go and we can validate here, and I I already confirmed that this is a table and this is a table too. So then I come here in Power Pivot and I will add to the model. So after that, I can see here budget. Yeah, actually I can see it. Then I come here and then try to add this to my model too. So as you can see, it's already created. So um, here in diagram view, so we can see. Maybe you can say that I can make this, but there is not possible because there are duplicate information, so that doesn't work. So we need to create a bridge table. That means that we need to create a pivot where we can share, we can validate or use unique information or unique data that is repeated into both tables. So for me, one way to do that is this. Uh, I will go into here in data, and then I can say something like remove duplicated. As you can see, it's already moved. So actually, I can say that this is uh, my bridge table. So that means that I can use this information, or I already validate that this information is same with this that I have here. And I will use this table to connect my both tables. Why? Because I have one field of vendors or sellers in each one of my tables. So I will add this to my model, and here is it. As you can see, I have this here, and I can come here, and now I am able to do this. Did you see it? Because okay, I will delete it one. This one. First conceptual first first concept that we need to understand and to have clear when we work with Power Pivot is that we can create relationship between our tables. But one of the main concepts that we need to accomplishment or to have clear is that we can create relationship if we have duplicated data in our tables. One of them should contain unique values. It doesn't matter who is it or which one of them contain that type of information. But actually, in presupuesto, I have vendors, but the data here are is duplicated. Are duplicated. And in realidad, I have vendors too, vendedores, sellers too, but they are duplicated too. So when I try to create a relationship between these tables, I have this problem. Why? Because the data in both tables are duplicated. So that is why I need to create a bridge table or another table that works as bridge but unique with unique values. So I will connect these vendedores with these vendedores and it's work. My relationship is already created. Why? Because this contain duplicated data, but this contain unique data. So I can create relationship with realidad too. As you can see, why? Because I have the same status or the same problem. This means that we can create relationship only if we are able or if our table have these conditions. So that's it. So another thing that I need to create is a calendar table. Why? Because we have dates and I need to create a relationship with between them. I'm going to design an calendar of table or date table. Click a new, and as you can see, a Power Pivot is already created or is still creating a new table called as calendary. So I don't need to check it. I'm just going to diagram view, and then as you can see here, I already have a calendar data or table. So in this case, I will match date by date and date with date, and that's it. My connection is already created, so finish. I will back. And actually, I going to work. But another suggestion is that when you work with measures or you need to create measure, you always should work in your reality table. Why? Because theoretically here you have all transaction of your real operations. So that's a, doesn't make sense that you work in another table meanwhile you are here. Meanwhile, you have the sequence of your information in another table. So the suggestion is that you should work in the table that provide to you the real information that your business have or had. So I will create some basic measures. So first one is ventas totales. So I will give to this measure current format, and that's it. Then I will create. I forget how can I do this. I forget how can I create this. Ah, mm, okay. Table, calendar, then that's it. Yeah, it's not still have mistake now. I forget this one. Oh my god, I forget to this one. I think it's yeah. Some values, calendar. Okay, I already created in this part of the formula. I create the files, the rows. So in this case, I will create the relation. Okay, basically we make this. Okay, we make this. All of these measure because in our original data, as you can see, I will let you know here in our original data, we have in realidad we have 6 per day, but the budget is per month. So how can we work with that? How can we solve these issues? So the logical is that we divide all the sales of January, we divide it into the total days that the month have. So in this case, 1.6 So that basically that was that we made with our measure. But maybe you can say, hey, okay, but it's more easy to work in this way. Just multiply it and then that's it. So no, because our idea and our mission here is that when we already create this measure, um, all the times when someone update this data, automatically automatically our measure will be updated too. So that means that we work first time and then we keep this change in for the future. So maybe you spend a lot of time in the beginning of the process, but after the time happen, you can notice that you save a lot of time, a lot of resource, and that is why Power Pivot works a lot and is used to improve time, to improve the process. It's used many times too to for business analysts. Sorry, for data science or business analysis. So that's it. This is really nice. Okay, maybe you can see that I only have per day here, so that is why still to need the other one budget, the final budget. For example, this one here. As you can see, I have this one per month. That doesn't make sense, right? So maybe that is why I need to keep this this one. Basically, that doesn't make sense to me. Because I already moved the other one. Oh, doesn't matter, doesn't matter, doesn't matter. I can keep this one and I can use this one. Oh, doesn't make sense too. So, mm, how can I solve this? I don't know, but that is the idea. Oh my goodness, so mistake. I didn't share my screen. Too bad, too bad, too bad. Sorry for that. Really sorry for that. I will delete everything of this, and I redo again. This is easy, so I will not repeat it. Total days. So come on, Javier. Count rows. Count rows. I will use calendar. Calculate total days, and I we need something else. So in this case, we need to use all except calendar, and then I think that number of months, and that's it. First step that I need to do. Okay, why should I create number of months here? Why? Because I don't have anything that I need to compare with this table. So as you can see, number month. I need to make like a bridge between these tables too. So in that case, so in that way, I can validate or I can create relationship with a measure, and I can compare them to create or to make a validation in my budget. So okay, maybe should I show to you why I need to create that one? Come here, insert. from model, then use hierarchy dates here. Oh my goodness. Also, as you can see, we already have our budget per month. Per month, we have the target here and the sales, but per month it is okay. So as you can see that we failed in the first month, we accomplishment in the second month, we still accomplishment in the second three, we failed two in the other one, and below and over under we are under our target here, here, and our over here, under, over. So, but that is per month. Per month. What happen if I try to show this information per day? So as you can see, I'm not able to show my table per day. So that why? Because my budget is per month. My table contain my budget per month and my sale record show me the information per day. So that's useful point to see to notice. So that is why I'm using this formula per day. So as you can see, January have these days, February, but I use this one to show the total days in year. So as you can see, that's it. Uh, Actually, I will create a measure of budget per month, per day, sorry, because I'm not able to show you that now. Let's move here. Values, why? Because we want to see the information per month. No, 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 no. Calendar. Totally months, multiply by calculate. So actually, I think that I can't down. Oh, yeah, here. Actually, I think that I am able to show you the sales per day. Not really. So there is something that I need to fix, and that is why I need to use the other one. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, I lost it. Ah, so, I know it. Oh, damn. Okay, another opportunity to retake the lesson. Okay, another opportunity to retake everything and again. Ah, so, okay, no problem, no problem. New opportunity to redo everything again. Okay, no problem. Project one is like SumX. Why SumX? Because I need to sum something, but with the first condition. SumX values, number of months, close it, one divided. I need to multiply it by calculate, and this calculate could be the total budget. After this, I need to filter all um, number of months. After that, I need to use something like I will need to close it. Then I need to use something like month two equal than final budget is equal than if um, if budget validation is equal than true, I need apply the total budget. But in case it's filtered, please use budget one. So in this case, I need to save it. Then that's it. But and we say that this doesn't work, right? And that doesn't make sense for us. But what happens if I need to go here and I will disable? Yes, you already have this one here. So in this case, in theory, I will have the total here. Yeah, but I think that could be useful to have something different from here. But let's see. So I think that I can create something like, mm, okay, I do something wrong. I made something wrong. I need to see it. Where my mistake is. Okay, something is wrong here. I need to solve it. Ah, yes. Friday I went to the gym and actually I have some pains in my leg, and that was leg day too. And actually, I feel like very tired. Okay, this is okay. Ah, okay, 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 okay. Sí, estoy usando ese. I need to check something here because there are some mistakes that I don't understand well what's happened. So I need to solve my doubts. Oh my goodness. There is not any solution. No, there is anything. So I need to solve it by myself. So, well, okay. Thank you for staying here. Bye.